Wagwan Generals, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. And today, first of all, before I even get this video started, I want to say I hope that y'all are okay. That Hurricane Milton in Florida was no joke. I hope that y'all stayed safe. Y'all evacuated if you had to, and you back. And I kept y'all in my prayers, so I just hope that everybody's okay, and hope y'all get on your feet again if you weren't okay. But I just wish all the best for y'all. So a couple videos back, I upgraded my headlights. I could probably stick the link right here so y'all can check it out. And I upgraded that so I can see them, right? It's dark, I can see them. But now, I'm gonna upgrade my tail lights so y'all can see me when I zoom past you, you know what I mean? Let me stop being silly, man. This video is sponsored by Oxilam. Yep, we got some fresh LEDs for the tail light. We got the brake light, which indicates the red, and we got the reverse light, white. So we gonna get these in, and listen, I got y'all 20% discount if you use the code MDG Vlogs. I'ma stick it right here. Pause, no diddy. And I'ma put it in the description so y'all could check it out and get these fresh LED bulbs. We gonna get these packages open, and I'ma show y'all how simple these are to install. I mean, easy to install, way brighter than them OLEDs. Heat dissipation, we ain't gotta worry about that. You know, heat is not good for your car no matter what. Unless it's winter, then you need a heater core in there, but I ain't talking about that. We talking about the light, them lights. You heard me? Them OLED, they draw current, they blow easily, so we don't need them. So I'm gonna take one out and I'm gonna do a comparison, show y'all how quality these are in compared to the OLEDs. And we gonna get that installed like how. Alrighty, so get out one of these OLED bulbs. So I'm gonna switch this one to the LED, and I'm gonna leave that one, and then I'm gonna show y'all how bright they are. I'm gonna close the garage, and then so we can, don't mind that, I'm gonna get this shampooed, and we gonna clean this up. Don't mind that, man. It's a work in progress. It's a project, damn it. We gonna take care of that. So use a little panel right here, and brake lights are way up here. Get it? So it's easy. Pull this out. You can do this with one hand. No, I can't. Just set y'all right here. I'm gonna just take this up real quick. And then we're gonna compare this with the other brake light. Focus. Right? See, this doesn't even look right. It's a little bit blown too. You see what I'm talking about? We would not have that problem. Let me get y'all on the GoPro, and we're gonna do a comparison. Alright, so see, this already looks blown. You see that dark spot? Like one of these are burnt out. We ain't gonna have no problem with these. Just look at this, man. Oh my gosh. Just look. Look at these. You can see the quality in these, man. This got like all sorts of well, I say one of these are burnt out, so we got the shredded whatever, I don't know, but they got it inside of it. While these, we ain't gotta worry about that. And these are long lasting bulbs, like long lasting bulbs. So we gonna get these put in, and you're gonna see how easy it is to install, and we're gonna do a comparison. Let's go. So as we say, out with the old, and then we're going in with the new. You see, it's just push right in, and that's it. That is it. That's how simple it is to install. It's how simple it is to install. Too easy. We put this back in, and I'm gonna set up my camera so y'all can see a comparison. I'm gonna close the garage so it gets a little bit darker, so y'all can see a comparison. One click, and that's it. We ain't gotta worry about it. And we can just put this back. Well, we ain't gonna put this back because I got the reverse lights in. I got to put the reverse light in also, so we ain't gonna put that back yet. But we gonna get a comparison. Nah. So y'all see what I'm saying? The OLED is on the right, and the LED, Oxilam LED is on the left. Bruh. These are way brighter than the OLEDs, bro. Oh my goodness. I love this, bro. Look how bright they are. Ease up. Press it. Man. And you see that? The LED came on quicker than the OLED. Just by a split second, but it did. You know what I mean? Y'all can rewind the video and see that I'm not playing. These are fire. I love these. Thank y'all, Oxilam. Thank you so much. And I said I got y'all 20% discount. I'm gonna leave it in the description. Y'all go check it out. Get your LEDs. So unfortunately, I won't be able to compare the reverse lights because my reverse switch is broken. However, we're gonna still install those lights and show y'all how simple it is. It's no different from the brake lights. Just locate where your reverse light is and plug and play. That's it, plug and play. So I'm gonna set up the camera. We're gonna get this installed, and yes sir, like we did the brake light. We're gonna install the reverse light now. Wow, these are so clean. These are so clean, yo. I love it. Out with the old, in with the new. Just like that. Alright. That's it for the left side. We're gonna go on the right side. That's it. Now let me show you how bright they are again. You saved it! You saved it! Ah, ha, ha. I love it! And that's the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, man. Hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't as yet. And remember, go visit the link in the description, man. That Oxilam link, you get 20% off those bulbs, man. Get your car right. It's coming on to the winter. It's getting a little darker at night. Get your lights bright with Oxilam. You heard me. Link down here. Code right here. Get it done. And we out. Ah!